Calling all instructional designers and learning enthusiasts. Do you want to create impactful training that genuinely improves performance? Discover the secret weapon as we dive deep into the art and science of breaking down tasks to supercharge your training programs. Unlock the potential of task analysis and revolutionize your approach to instructional design. Before diving into an instructional design project, we should always conduct a thorough needs analysis. We do this to determine which of our stakeholders' business goals aren't being met and to figure out which of our stakeholders' operational processes are linked to these shortcomings. Once our stakeholder helps us identify the relevant processes, we then perform a task analysis to break down each process into individual tasks. This includes identifying the sequence of actions, required skills, tools, and outcomes for each task. Performing a task analysis is our way of revealing how things are done in the workplace. Not every task needs this deep dive, so we focus on the ones that really matter with the help of managers, supervisors, subject matter experts, and top performers. We'll also have to shadow people as they work, having candid chats to get their insights, and digging into any guides or manuals that lay out how things are supposed to be done. Each of these steps gives us another piece of the puzzle, showing us not just how tasks are completed, but also the challenges and shortcuts workers have discovered along the way. Now, with all this information in hand, we get down to the nitty-gritty of breaking down the tasks. This means mapping out every step, identifying the decisions that need to be made along the way, and noting what skills and tools are essential at each point. It's a detailed process, but it's the heart of understanding how a task flows from start to finish. With our tasks laid bare, we take a closer look at each part. We ask questions like, is this step necessary? Could we do this another way? What's holding us back here? This is where we start to see opportunities for making things better, whether it's through training, tweaking the process, or introducing new tools. And remember, when training is a solution, it's almost never the only solution. All of this analysis then gets wrapped up into a neat package. We document our findings in a way that's clear and actionable. Whether it's through diagrams, step-by-step guides, or reports, the key is making it accessible. This documentation is a roadmap for making improvements, so clarity is king. This content is likely to become the DNA of our training solution. Therefore, before we roll out changes, we check in with the people who actually do the work. This validation step ensures our analysis matches reality and fine-tunes our recommendations. It's an opportunity to adjust our plans based on real-world feedback. Remember, with the right analysis and a dash of creativity, you're not just designing training, you're crafting the blueprint for success. It's time to put these insights into action and watch as your learners achieve feats they never thought possible. Here's to creating learning experiences that don't just inform but transform.